Good morning, children. Welcome back after 2 days holidays. Children, today is Monday and it's time to learn English. In today's class, I'm going to introduce you small print form letters A to Z along with capital letters. Then, children, I will teach you sounds and songs of the letters A to Z. Today, I'm going to introduce a new song of letter Q. And in written, you will learn to write capital Q. Today we will learn a new rhyme and its name is Incy Wincy Spider along with its activity. So children, let's start our today's class. Children, now let's learn and recognize capital letters A to Z with pictures. So let's start, children. You also speak with me. Now look here, children. This is capital A. A for apple. A for apple. Now comes B. B for ball. This is B. B for ball. Now comes C. C for cat. Meow. C for cat. The next letter is D. Look here, children. This is capital D and D for dog. This is dog. Now comes E, children. Look here. This is E. E for elephant. Now the next letter is capital F. F for fish. F for fish. Children, this is G. G for goat. Now comes H. H for hen. Children, the next letter is I. I for ice cream. We all love to eat ice cream in summers. Now comes J. J for jug. Children, after J, this is K. K for kite. Next letter is L. This is L. L for lion. Now comes M. M for mango. Summer is the season of mango. M for mango. Now comes N. N for nest. The bird lives in a nest. Children, this is O. O for orange. Now comes P. P for parrot. Children, the next letter is Q. Q for queen. Now comes R. R for rabbit. This is S. S for ship. Now comes T. This is capital T. T for tiger. The tiger. This is a tiger. Children, this is capital T. T for tiger. Now comes U. U for umbrella. The next letter is V. V for van. Now comes W. W for watch. Children, this is X. X for Xmas tree. Children, this is capital Y. Y for yak. And now comes the last letter. This is Z. Z for zebra. Children, in this way, you have to learn to read and recognize capital letters A to Z with the help of picture. Children, now let's learn and revise sounds and songs of the letters A to Z. Today I have written small letters also along with the capital letters, isn't it? And today I am going to teach you a new song of letter Q. So let's start with A. A says ants on my arms, it's causing me alarm. B. B says burr. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play. B says burr. Now comes C. C says cur. We are clicking castanets. C says cur. Now see, children, this is D. This is capital D and this is small d. D says d. See me play on my drum. Playing drum is a lots of fun with the da. D says d. Now comes E. E says eh. This is capital E and this is small e. E says eh. Eggs in the pan. cracks the eggs like this. Now you all remember this song, isn't it? Now comes F. F says, my friend and I went to the beach with my floating fish. It got a hole and air came out. G says G. This is capital G and this is small g. G says G. The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain. G, 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 g. In this way, you have to revise the song of letter G. Now comes H. H says hop. I like to hop, 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 up and down. I like to hop, 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 all around. So H says hop. Now comes I. I says E. This is capital I and this is small I. I says E. Inky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink and got wet. The ink is all over the desk. Inky is wet. So I says E. Now comes J. This is capital J and this is small j. Jelly and jam, jiggling on the plate. Oh, what will I eat with it? J. So J says J. Now comes K. This is capital K and this is small k. And this is a kicking K. Kites are flying in the sky, ka. Kites are flying in the sky, ka. So the sound of K is ka. L. L says we lick a lollipops. We lick a lollipops. We lick a lollipop. So L says this is capital L and this is small l. Now comes M. This is capital M, small m. M says the mom and the dad make many meals. The mom and the dad make many meals for their hungry children. M says Now comes N. N says Hear the aeroplane. Hear the aeroplane making lots of noise. So when the aeroplane comes down, it makes lots and lots of noise. So it says like So the sound of N is also like that. Now children, O. O says O. This is capital O and this is small o. O says O. Now it's dark, the light goes on. O. It's time for bed, the light goes off. O. So O says O. Now comes P. P says P. This is capital P and this is small p. Puff out the candles on the pink cake. Puff out the candles on the pink cake. Puff. So the P says P. Children, this is capital Q and this is small q. And the song of Q is, see, where does ducks live? Ducks lives in the pond, isn't it? So, ducks in the pond, quack, quack, quack. Ducks in the ponds, quack, quack, quack. Says the ducks like this, quack, quack. So, the sound of Q is quack. R says rrr, rrr. This is capital R and this is small r. Now comes S. S says S. The sound of S is S. This is capital S, small s. This is T. Capital T, small t. T says T. T. This is capital U, small u. U says The sound of U is V. V says W. This is capital V, small v. V says W. Now comes W. This is capital W, small w. The sound of W is W. X. Capital X, small x. X says X only. Y. Y says Y. The sound of Y is Y. This is capital Y and this is small y. This is Z. Capital Z, small z. And the sound of Z is Z, as a zigzag. Understand, children? In this way, you have to learn the songs and sounds of the letters A to Z. Children, today I am going to teach you to write capital Q in the notebook. Q. Q for quill. Quill is feather of a bird, isn't it? Children, there are many things which start with letter Q. Let's have a look. This is capital Q and this is small q. Look here. Q for queen, which you all know. Q for queen, Q for quill. Q for quilt, which we use in winter. रजाई use करते हैं ना winters में. Q for quilt. Q for Q. See these rabbits, they are standing in the queue. Q for Q, Q for quail. This bird is known as quail. So there are so many things which start with the letter Q. Look here children, this is today's date. Today is 19th July 2021. You have to put your pencil on the red line. Look here. From here you have to make a semicircle till the second blue line. Then you have to go up and you have to make a circle, complete circle. And then you have to remove your hand. Now children, look here. At this point you have to make a slanting line till the second blue line. In this way you have to write Q. Now see, again I'm going to write. So like this, first semicircle and then you have to make a circle, complete circle like this. Then remove your hand, go to this point. From here you have to make a slanting line like this. So writing Q is quite easy. Like this. And that's why you have to write capital Q. Now I will show you how you will write in your notebook. Children, now let's write capital Q in the notebook. First I will write today's date. Today is 19th July 2021 like this. And Q for quill. Look here, this is a quill, feather of a bird, which is known as quill. Now children, how you will write capital Q? Look here. Put your pencil on this dot, make a semicircle and then a circle like this. And you have to make it between red line and the second blue line. You have to touch both lines, understand? Then from here you have to make a slanting line like this. And you have to touch the second blue line. In this way you have to make capital Q. See, like this, and then first you have to make a circle, then you have to make a slanting line inside it like this. See, semicircle, then a circle and then a slanting line. Like this. Like this, children. Children, see, I am writing in the last line. In this way you have to write, you have to follow the way I am doing. Look, from this point, from red line you have to go till the second blue line, touch it, then go up, make a circle like this, and then make a slanting line from this point. Or you have to cut the circle like this way. In this way, children, you have to write one page of Q in your English notebook. Write it, take its picture and send it to me. Children, now it's time for practice work. In practice work, आपको क्या करना है? You have to write री से ऋषि in your Hindi notebook. समझ में आया आपको? So first you have to write today's date. Today is 19th July 2021 like this. Now children, put your pencil on the blue line and you have to make a standing line till the second blue line like this. अब आपको क्या करना है? अब आपको उल्टा के बनाना है. देखो ऐसे, ठीक है. अब इस पॉइंट से आपको एक स्लीपिंग लाइन बनानी है और फिर यहाँ से ऊपर से आपको एक स्टैंडिंग लाइन बनाते हुए इसको टच करना है, मिला देना है और फिर नीचे सी लिखना है और फिर छत लगानी है. ये जो सी है ये इस लाइन से नहीं मिलना चाहिए. ऑलराइट, समझ में आया आपको? देखो, आप फिर से देखो, उल्टा की बनाया, स्लीपिंग लाइन, फिर स्टैंडिंग लाइन और फिर सी ऐसे, और ये बन गया री. देखो ऐसे, फिर यूँ छत लगा दी, स्टैंडिंग लाइन, उल्टा के स्लीपिंग लाइन, फिर स्टैंडिंग लाइन और सी। इस तरह से हमने री लिखा और ये सबसे आसान तरीका है री लिखने का। देखो यूँ, ऐसे। ऐसे लिखते लिखते हम देखो फर्स्ट लाइन भी फिनिश करने, बस फिनिश होने वाली है हमारी फर्स्ट लाइन। देखो आप कितने इजीली लिख रहे हैं। ऐसे हाथ को सीधा करके बिल्कुल अच्छे से लिखना है यूं। ये फर्स्ट लाइन फिनिश हो गई, अब हम सेकेंड लाइन पे आ गए। ओके चिल्ड्रन, सी आई एम इन द लास्ट लाइन। मैं लास्ट लाइन में लिख रही हूँ री से ऋषि। तो कैसे लिखना है, स्टैंडिंग लाइन बनाना है, उल्टा के, बीच में स्लीपिंग लाइन, फिर स्टैंडिंग लाइन, फिर सी। ऐसे फिर छत लगानी है, उल्टा के, स्लीपिंग लाइन, स्टैंडिंग लाइन और सी। ऐसे इस तरह से आपको री लिखना है एज अ प्रैक्टिस वर्क, डेट के साथ, और फिर इसकी पिक्चर मुझे भेजनी है। Children, now it's time to learn a new rhyme. So I'm going to teach you a new rhyme from your All for Kids Rhymes book with worksheets, and today we will do its activity also. So bring your rhymes book. Now open page number 10. The name of this rhyme is Incy Wincy Spider. Children, as you can see, there is a spider, एक मकड़ी है, and her name is Incy Wincy. The name of this spider is Incy Wincy. What she did? क्या किया इसने? Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the water spout. ये देखो, Incy Wincy Spider है, she started climbing up this water spout, जिसमें से पानी नीचे गिरता है। ओके, देखो आप, ये जो है वाटर स्पाउट है जहाँ से पानी नीचे गिरता है, वो इसके अंदर से चढ़ने लग गई, ऊपर जाने लग गई। She started climbing up. Then what happened? Down came the rain and washed the spider out. खूब सारी बारिश हुई, रेन हुई है ना, बारिश आई, और जो पानी था वो इसके नीचे से आ गया, इसके अंदर से आया, और ये जो बेचारी इंसी विंसी स्पाइडर थी ये भी इसके अंदर से नीचे वापस आ गई। Then what happened? Out came the sun. उसके बाद थोड़ी देर बाद sun came out and dried up all the rain. और उसने सारे रेन के पानी को सुखा दिया, सारी बारिश का पानी सूख गया। So Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the spout again. Incy Wincy Spider never gives up. एक बार ये नीचे आ गई, लेकिन इसने हार नहीं मानी, इसने हिम्मत नहीं हारी। She again then climbed up the spout again, और इसके बाद ये यहाँ पे ऊपर चढ़ गई। Children, always learn, never give up. Okay? Let's recite this poem. Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. So Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the spout again. Children, this is a big lesson which we can learn from this little spider. She never gives up. She tries and tries. So you have to also do it like this. Always try for your goal. अंडरस्टैंड, अगर आपको कोई चीज, कोई लेटर नहीं लिखना आ रहा है तो आपको कोशिश करनी है, बार बार ट्राई करेंगे तो आपको आ जाएगा। जैसे इंसी विंसी स्पाइडर ने बार बार कोशिश की और वो ऊपर चढ़ गई। अंडरस्टैंड चिल्ड्रन? सो दिस इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस स्पाइडर। नाउ आई विल शो यू हाउ यू विल लर्न दिस स्पाइडर विद एक्शंस। Children, now I will show you how you will learn this rhyme, Incy Wincy Spider, with actions. Children, now it's activity time. We are on page number 11 and this activity is related with the poem Incy Wincy Spider. Understand? So let's do it. First we will write today's date. Today is 19th July 2021. Alright children, so what we have to do? Look, how many legs does a spider have? Tick the right number and color the spider. Children, we have to count the legs of the spider. Let's count it and then we will tick the correct number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, spider has 8 legs. So, tick this number like this with a pencil. And children, now we will color the spider with the crayons, the colors you have in your book set. So, spider is of black or grey color, isn't it children? So, let's take out the color. Where is the black color? Oh my god, it's here. So I am going to take the black color and I will color the legs first, like this. Evenly children, slowly, slowly. And it is such a fun coloring, isn't it? So you have to do in this way. Now the second leg. Third leg. Children, this is the last leg of this spider which I am coloring, okay? In this way you have to color the legs. Now this part is done. Now the body of the spider. So start from here. In one direction, color in one direction. And now the face of the spider. So color it properly, carefully also, like this. And the fangs of the spider. So in this way children, you have to do this activity. I hope you will enjoy it. So finish this activity, take its picture and send it to me. Children, now it's time to practice our new rhyme, Incy Wincy Spider. As I told you, Incy Wincy Spider is a very hard working spider. She never gives up. She tries and tries again. Understand children? So you should learn from this spider. Never give up, always try more to achieve your goal, isn't it? So let's start this rhyme. Good morning. The title of my poem is Incy Wincy Spider. Incy Wincy Spider climbed the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. So, Incy Wincy Spider climbed the water spout again. Let's say it one more time. Incy Wincy Spider climbed the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. So, Incy Wincy Spider climbed the spout again. In this way children, you have to try to learn this rhyme, which is very nice. So try to learn it along with the action, make your video on it and send it to me.